Festival season is in full effect. Kit Harington and his wife and Game of Thrones co-star Rose Leslie looked overjoyed to be spending the day at England's Glastonbury Festival on Friday, June 24th. The pair smiled wide as they posed for photos in between the day's many amazing musical acts. Both looked incredibly fashionable for the day's events. Rose looked beautiful in a pair of light blue jeans and white Levi's t-shirt. She added a bit of flair with rose-tinted sunglasses as her future husband wrapped his arm around her waist. Meanwhile, Kit rocked a black t-shirt and brown jeans, plus a black pair of boots. He topped off his outfit with a cool-looking fedora. Given England's tendency for rain, the couple seemed prepared for the weather to go either way. In the pictures where the pair were seen walking around, they both had dark blue rain jackets on over their festival outfits, while Kit also donned his own pair of sunglasses. The pair seemed to be having a great time. The past 2 years have been incredibly eventful for the pair, especially after their first son was born in 2021. It seemed like the pair were enjoying having a couple's day where they could enjoy some music and summer weather. The 2022 edition of Glastonbury features a ton of musical superstars spanning genres. Friday night features a headline set from Billie Eilish. The rest of the weekend will see performances by the likes of Paul McCartney, Kendrick Lamar, and Megan Thee Stallion in top slots. Other musical stars like St. Vincent, Olivia Rodrigo, and many more are also playing throughout the fest. Kit and Rose aren't the only stars who seem to be enjoying the festivals. Other celebrities like Lily James and Poppy Delevingne have been spotted around the festival grounds and having a great time.